Okay, I'm going to remove this clutch wheel, hand wheel, and fix this so that it will properly disengage. Now, I'm not sure if this machine is having a problem with that. Let's see. Yeah, it seems like it is. But what we're going to do is, for the sake of this, now the screw that was in here is gone because this is a parts machine. So we're just doing this for the sake of doing it. So I'm unscrewing this. Okay. Yours may or may not be stiff. I'm going to pull this off. You're going to have heavier rub marks on the side that's inward. Okay. That's how you're going to know which side goes inward. There's a little groove in this, and it follows the teeth on this. I guess you'd call this a washer. Okay, that's how it goes back together. All right, and you can see that the screw normally goes in here and kind of holds one of these teeth. Okay, now this just comes out. And what you've got here, and for the sake of this video, I'm just going to mock clean this because I just want you to see how the parts are and what can be going on that's going to be keeping this from functioning. All right, you want to clean any heavy gunk. See, there's a lot of crud and crap around in here. Around in here, all right, you want to put just a drop of oil on this, just a drop, really just a drop. This gear right here works with the worm gear right here inside. So you're going to want to put some grease. All right. I typically use white lithium. Now they say not to because it'll harden up. Probably if you put it out in a cold shed and leave it there, it's going to harden up. There are people who say use it. There are people who don't. There's people who use Vaseline. There's people who use the regular Singer gear grease. Okay, so it's going to be up to you. This is your journey. All right, come a little closer with that and shine the camera right down in here and show this gear. Down in here. Okay, see that gear? All right, so when you put this wheel back on, yeah, it turns that gear. Okay, back up a little bit. The bobbin assembly has been removed because I used it to try to fix another machine. All right, so right here, you want to clean that surface. You want to clean inside of here. You want to clean this surface, okay? Then you're going to want to clean this. Put 1 drop of oil on it. Put it back. Make sure it's clean inside of here. This surface here, clean. Okay, then you're going to thread this whole thing back together. And if you have it, you're going to put this screw in. Let's see if I do have it. Hey, wait a minute, I might have it. Is this the screw that goes in here? What do we think? I don't think it is, because I'm pretty sure I used it. Okay. I'm going to go with no. Okay. Like I said, I didn't think so. All right, so now we're engaging. Let's see if we disengage. Sometimes you just mess with it because... Yeah, let's see. Now this one is disengaging. It's not turning the needle up and down. Can you see the needle not going up and down, son? Show the needle's not going up and down. Can you see that? Okay, the needle's not going up and down, and I'm turning the wheel. Now I'm going to engage it. Come on. I turned it a long ways. And there we go. This machine is extremely dirty, but for the purposes of that video. Now, if you watched my other video and you've seen the part where we're trying to put back the bobbin case. My hand was in the way a lot, so I'm going to try to do it from this angle. All right, this little black, I'm going to call it a, what am I going to call it? A holder thing. Okay. See how it pops over? It's kind of spring loaded. See, it kind of springs up. It's got a little bit of a spring tension on it. And it's really stiff when it starts out. So if you just kind of lift on it, then you should be able to draw it back. And it might be a little tough to begin with. And then that'll enable you to remove that bobbin. Now right straight down here, there's a little tooth. And you'll notice on your bobbin case that there's a notch. And that little notch